everyone, I wanted to make you aware of some additional resources that exist in Pearson. So, as always, from the homepage, go to My CCBC and log in. And then, once you're at this page, select Brightspace and log into our course. Then click on Content. Under Content, you can scroll down to My Stat Lab, and then we're going to open up where it says My Lab and Mastering. If you don't want to do this, you can always just go to mystatlab.com in a separate window. You don't have to go through Brightspace. Please know that. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Study Plan. So if I click on Study Plan, then I have this menu come up, and notice that there's these cool things called Practice and there's things called Quiz Me. Now, of course, right now, all that's coming up is 1.1, but let's say I don't want to study 1.1. Well, I can come up here and I can click on all chapters. So let's say what I really need to study is, I don't know, chapter 4. So if I click the plus symbol on chapter 4, I can then go to, for example, 4.1, and notice then it will let me go through and do all of these problems and practice them.